Hi fam, what is up elders and elders? This is Digital AK47 aka Ashok. Welcome to our channel. Presented to you the 5th digital marketing news of our channel. So before we get into our video, let me guys tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by subscribing to our channel just like this. And if you have not watched our previous videos, I have linked in the I button. You can check that as well. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. The first news of the video is Instagram's new way of posting. Recently while updating my Instagram application, I find a new plus symbol under my profile section, just like the visuals you are seeing in the video. Just like that, by updating your Instagram application, you can create a story, or you can create a story highlight, or you can share a photo or video, or you can share an IGTV, or you can shoot reels from that directly. Basically, I like this feature a lot. If you have not get this feature, please update your application from the App Store or on Google Play Store. Do let me know your thoughts with the feature in the comment section below. Don't forget it. Basically, I like this feature very much. So the next news is about Google Assistant Dev Day. Basically, the October month will be totally for developers from the Google side. So there are so many online events for the developers. As I previously mentioned in my news videos, I have linked in the I button for the another Google developers update on the online event. So this will be a Google Assistant Developers Day or Dev Day for the Google Assistant's latest features, which will be conducted on October 8th and 9th, and this event will be totally free with the registrations conducted via Google sites. So basically, Google will present the latest features for the Google Assistants. Basically, I am waiting for the latest Google Features Assistant. So let's see what Google will bring in the October month. I have linked in the registration link in my description section. You can register yourself with the link, and it's totally free guys, so make sure you register with the link in the description section. So the next news is WordPress 5.5.1 has fixed errors. So the happy news from the WordPress team that with the latest feature of WordPress 5.5.1 has fixed a lot of error with the thousands of websites. So it's a happy news. They have recently rolled out this feature from September 1. If you have not updated with the WordPress 5.5.1, do update it with the latest feature to fix those errors and bugs if it has occurred with your website. So the next news is Twitter announces quote tweet. Basically what quote tweet means is, if a person is retweeting your tweet with a comment, it will count separately with the quote tweet. Before it was counting under retweet, so we can't even know how many tweets are just retweeted or how many tweets are retweeted with a comment or an editing within the tweet. So basically this has been rolled out, and many of the profiles are seeing this. If you have not get it, soon you will be getting this feature. So basically do let me know how this feature, and if you are not following me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at @DigitalAK47. So the next news is Google's AI Key Pose. Before I tell you about Key Pose, first let me clear you that before estimating and also finding the orientation of a 3D transparent object is very difficult with the computers. So Google's AI Key Pose is a feature of AI which runs with many computerized things and also controls with the AI to perfectly estimates the orientation, also shape of the object. Just like the visuals you are seeing in the screen, it is totally easy to know the exact size and orientation of a transparent object. So basically soon AI will dominate many other fields by helping with the average size and positions. Basically it will help many industries to work out with the AI. So we are not very far from the AI based experiences. And the next news is John Mueller has answered about content and ranking. Recently in the Twitter account of John Mueller, I have searched, he has answered some of the tweets which has received about the content and ranking. You can check his Twitter account what he has said in the content and ranking in his Twitter account, and also don't forget to follow me also in the Twitter account at @DigitalAK47. The next and important news of our video is LinkedIn has added 3 new features to the pages. After a very long time, LinkedIn has finally added some features to the pages. So I will be breaking down with each feature one by one. The first feature is you can see your page followers. By clicking on the followers of your page, you can see who are following your pages. So it will be easy to track who are following your page and who are not following your page. So the second feature is My Company tab. Dedicated My Company tab under your page lets you the employees to see one another who are not connected with each other, and also they can work together by this feature. And the third is event tab. Basically event tab was under your settings or in any admin view, but the event tab is separated under this sections. So basically in the event tab you can add your events, upcoming events of online consultation or any training or any seminars with that. So basically I like these three features, and do let me know which is your favorite feature in the comment section below. The next news of the video is Twitter's automated caption in audio and video. So recently Twitter has announced that with their tweet that they will be soon rolling out this feature of automated caption in the early 2021. Still they are more to work with this feature. So basically they will use AI for analyzing the audio and video by tracking that what kind of audio or video you are putting in the tweet. So basically it will save much of time by typing rather than typing your own caption. It will automate and generating caption for your audio or video which suits better. So basically some of this feature may use, and some of the feature those who target and specific description for their post, so they might not use this feature. So let's see the feature comes with the Twitter applications. The last news of the video is Facebook's post forwarding limit to Messenger. In the Messenger application, if you share a Facebook post to your friend, by sharing multiple friends, it will show that the limit has been reached. Basically, it's a great feature to stop the spread of misinformation about any news, and also fake news and spamming news and all. So basically, I want this feature in the Facebook profile as well, and also in the pages by sharing this multiple forward news under Facebook timelines and other company pages as well. So basically, this feature will help to stop the spread of miscommunications. Basically, do let me know how this feature is. So fam, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do share this video with everyone. Like this video, drop a comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are not following me on my social media handles are in the screen. You can follow me on my social media for more some interesting content on digital marketing. So I will be posting many of the content in my social medias as well. So fam, stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.